Hi guys, this is Kuy TV 8 guys. Ang tricks natin ngayon guys ay Kalayaan, Independence Day. Kaso masyadong mahaba, Laya Day tayo guys. Laya guys is 3 moves. Tapos ang sagot ay 36. Tapos ang day naman 3 moves equals 8-0. Okay guys. Okay guys, first move tayo guys. Lahat ng laya. For you guys. Second move guys. And the last move guys. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, tricks number 2 tayo. Day 3 moves equals 8-0. Okay, first move natin guys. Second move guys. And then last move guys. Thank you and thanks for watching. See you next time guys. God bless and bye bye. Happy holiday.